Hello and welcome to the another series of coding. Today we will solve lead code problem. Replace element with the greatest element on the right side, right? So here we have got the array and we have to replace every element previous element with the right side greatest element. So let me take this example. Okay, so here was 17 initially, 18, 5, 4, and then so at the position of 17 it came 18 because we are not including this element, this array element, and we are just finding the maximum in this subarray, right? So here was maximum element was 18, so it came here. After that we came here at the index 1, and then we find the maximum value in this subarray. So this was 6. Again we came here in the 5 position at the position number 2. So we will find the maximum element in the subarray, and still a 6. Then we came here in 4, then still a maximum value was 6, we appended that. Then at when we came 6, the only the element and the right subarray was 1, right? So it came here 1, and when we came here the last index of the array, right? So no element in the right side, so we will append -1. Okay, same. Now let me take into the demo board, you will get the further understanding here. So how you will tackle this problem? One brute force approach is that, okay, you start iterating from here, starting of index, right? Start of index, you came first, select this element, you will not include this element to get the maximum element, and we will get maximum element from this subarray. So we got 18, we appended on the position 1, right? Now we came here, we will not include this, we will just find the maximum element from this array. Okay, so maximum was 6, so we appended 6. After that what we have done, we now we came here, we will not include this, and this subarray will not include it. We will have to find the element in this subarray, still a 6. Okay, then we came here, we will not include this, and we will find maximum element in this subarray. So here is still a 6. Now when we came here on the 6th position, we will not include this subarray, and we have to find only the maximum element in this subarray. So there was only element 1, so we appended this 1 here. So now when we reach to here, no right element was present here, right? So we will append -1. Okay, this is very simple approach, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, it would be taking order of n square, because every time you have to find the maximum element in the right subarray, every time you have to find, and you are finding, suppose that the array length would be a 10,000 or something, 10 to power 4, right? So it will be very messy to calculate, so this is not approach so efficiently. So what is the efficient approach? I will, so this is very efficient approach, I think it will take only, okay, okay, and this is output array. We are not making this output array, we will just update in input array, but just for explanation purpose I am making this output array. 17, 18, 5 was there, 4 was there, I think so, 4, 6, 1. Okay, so what we will do here, in this approach we will not go from the start of index. Okay, we will iterate from the back side, and we will initially let me take some another name. Okay, we will say value. Value. Okay, value. Okay, value val equal to -1. Initially we will consider val equal to -1, right? I will tell you what is val here, right? So what is the purpose use of val here? We will iterate from the end of the list. Okay, so here when we, the so end of the list, let me index it out: 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So at index a equal to 5, okay, at index 5 we will append this -1 in this array. Okay, we are doing in this array, but just for explanation purpose I am making this. We will append this -1. After that what we will do, we will update our val. Okay, we will do simultaneously here, right? So we will update this value. So we will find the maximum value in array of 5 and comma 1, comma this val. Okay, this val. So at array of 5 value was 1, so value was 1, so val become 1. Okay, now we reach to this index. Let me change the pen. uh, we reached here. Now what we will do, we will just, okay, sorry, okay, we reached here, and what we will do, we will array of 4 equal to 1, because we are just by putting this value here, right? So it will become 1, and now we will update this val. Okay, val become max of array of 4 and val. So initially val was 1 and array of 4 was 6, so val value become 6. Okay, so we put 6 here. After that we came here. Okay, we came here and we will just put array of 3. Let me change the pen again, because array of 3. Okay, array of 3 equal to 6, and okay, array of 3 I have already put that value. Okay, and now array of 6, so we will put this 6 here. After that val become the maximum between array of 3 and initial val. Okay, so initial val was 6 and array of 3 was 4, so max val will be 6 only, right? So say, the maximum value val is now 6 here, right? So val is still a 6. Okay, when now we came here at this particular index, now we came here. Okay, so we will just first we will append this 6 here. Now we will update the value of val. So this was 5 and this was 6. The maximum of 5 and 6 will be 6. Okay, so and now we came at this index. So first what we do, we will just append this 6 here. We are doing this here, this step again and again. Okay, now we will update the value. So uh, this index value at index 1 the value was 18, at initial val was 6, so maximum value of val will 18, right? So 18 become 18. Now when we reach to index 0, so 18 will be appended, and no, and after that no further execution, the our pointer will come out, and this is our result. Okay, I think you get the point. So what the time complexity would be? Time complexity, but just we are scanning from left to right, right? So time complexity of order of n and space complexity of order of 1, because we are not using extra space, we are just updating in input array, right? So let me take into a coding section, then you will get the further understanding. First, for the sake of purpose, I will make a helper function. Okay, helper, and what the helper function will take? Helper function will take array and initial max value. We will just give an initial max value. Okay, we have given -1 in the example, and here we will do same. So we will iterate from the last index. So for I in range len of array, okay, -1 comma -1. This is how we iterate from the last index in Python. Okay, so after that we will first we will update our input array. Okay, we are updating in input array, then after we will change the max value. Maxwell now first Maxwell will become the value. After that, oh sorry, max of max of what? Max of array of I comma initial max value. And after that we will call this function from the outside. Okay, I spelled wrong. Okay, we will call this function, we will supply parameter array and -1. Okay, after that we will return array. Okay, let me run this program. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is working fine. Let me submit it. Accepted. Okay, thank you guys for watching.